is denome. In this video, I will show you undervalued assets as well as good buying opportunities. And the first one here is Falconswap. And they just partnered up with Trustswap that I did a video about previously. And I will show you that partnership later on in this video. I will explain what Falconswap is and what the potential here is as well. But Falconswap is the first undervalued asset. And this video, I will focus heavily on Falconswap and not as much on the other things because I have covered those in the past already. So Falconswap, quickly before I go show the other opportunities, is 10 million market cap, and it had this nice bull run here already, and then this consolidation, and now it looks like it's starting another bull run. So getting into Falconswap, even though it did already a little bit over 100% up here, I think it could be a good, like, high risk, high reward asset. So consider that as well. The circulating supply is 1/3 of the total supply, so there's still a lot of Falconswap being given to the team as well as to users who use it. So that's pretty cool, and the supply is actually deflationary. So I will show everything about Falconswap later on in this video, but now next I want to show you Orion, because this is another decentralized exchange as well as centralized exchange aggregator. And this one had this really nice move after I made the video, and I did exit a lot of my Orion, but I held about 1,200 Orion. So if you are considering getting into Orion, now may be a really good time, because it like retraced all the way down here to the same level where it bounced to the upside, and it looks like this is the bottom. And they changed their tokenomics, as well as the product is going to be launched in Q4 this year, and they are planning on releasing centralized exchange listings this month and next month. So a lot of good things are happening in Orion. Market cap is 21 million, but I do believe this is going to be probably the best centralized and decentralized exchange aggregator onto market when the product is launched later on this year. So that's why I'm quite bullish on Orion. At this price level, it's a really good solid buy. So that's just my opinion on that. Next is XIO. So XIO, they had like, because of the gas fees on Ethereum, they retraced a little bit. So they made a delay in their product launch. So they're actually using Matic Network to scale up their transactions on the XIO platform. I made a video about XIO, but I do believe it's still a very good purchase. And then Swipe. This is a really annoying one because I bought it at a really good price level, and I made a video about Swipe at a really good price level, and then it had this nice bull run, and I sold most of my Swipe then, but I've been buying it back since $2.4. So right about here I started to buy it back, and then it went down to $2, and now it's $1.5. So this is where I actually started to accumulate Swipe again. So now I have about 3,700 Swipe, which is I don't know, maybe 3-4% of my portfolio currently. So yeah, Swipe currently really good buying opportunity. 1/15 of the market cap of CRO, 1/15 of the market cap of BNB. So even if Swipe doesn't do anything crazy, they still have the second best card on the market compared to Crypto.com card, which is the best card on the market. But Swipe cards are the second best. So even if the price of CRO goes up, Swipe price also has to go up. And they are also doing their own thing. They have the SwipeFi, which is like a decentralized finance with Swipe, and they are launching Swipe on the Binance Smart Chain soon, so you can yield farm Swipe. So all of these good things are happening on Swipe. That's why I just wanted to buy more Swipe. So like, I think it's a really good buying opportunity. A lot of people were complaining about the customer service, same as with everyone was complaining about Crypto.com's customer service before they actually launched the cards. And after they launched the cards, they had a massive fiasco, but seems like everyone has already forgot about that. But the buying opportunity with Swipe, I think it's there right now. It could go down to like $1, but that's basically the lowest I can see. Accumulating Swipe now may be a really good buying opportunity. And my plan is to sell it about $3 level as well as $4 level. But above $4, I don't see much more upside after that. So consider that. I'm probably gonna keep a lot of my Swipe anyway, but yeah, we'll see. But I will probably try to exit most of my positions when price of Swipe is about $4. That's just my plan there. And then next is the Uniswap token, and I think this one is overvalued. I would not be buying Uni tokens here because the circulating supply is 10% of the total supply, so there's a lot of inflation coming to Uni token, and the market cap is already $700 million. So if you take the fully diluted market cap, it's about $6.5 billion already, and would the price of Uniswap double, it would mean that the market cap is almost like $2 billion already, which would make it come to the like top 10 easily already. So if it doubles here, it could happen, but there are a lot of other things happening, like Sushi there's Falconswap and other protocols. So Uniswap, they actually have to up their game a lot to keep up with the developments that are happening in DeFi. So until I see all of that, then it's currently overvalued in my opinion. But of course, I don't see behind the scenes. I don't understand what they are building currently. So we'll see if what they're actually doing. If they can pull a layer 2 solution on Uniswap, that would be amazing. So we'll see how it goes. But currently, Uniswap, it's still the #1 decentralized exchange. Market cap 700 million. I think it's overvalued. I would not be buying at these levels. But yeah, just keep that in mind as well. So I still actually have 400 Uni tokens left. I haven't been selling them yet. I'm probably going to sell them at about $7.5 level and still keep about 100 Uni to still have some skin in the game. But I'm expecting a pullback once the circulating supply is being released and the hype dies down on Uniswap. So that's just my take there. And then lastly, a coin I want to showcase is Celsius Network token. I made a video about Celsius Network about 0.38 level. So it has 1.5x to 2x since then. So congratulations to everybody who got Celsius Network tokens. And the market cap here is $300 million, but they are probably the best centralized platform to gain money on your crypto assets. So it's a really good platform, very good. They just made an update on their app. It works a lot better, and they're gonna have a swap on their app very soon, in about 2, 3, 4 weeks from now. And the adoption for Celsius Network is just going up and up and up. And the total supply versus the circulating supply is really good also. So I'm not gonna sell my Celsius Network token until the market cap is actually at least $600 million. So that's just my take there. Would I buy it at these levels? Probably not. But if you want to gain like 7% annual interest on your Ethereum, you can get that on Celsius Network application. Just deposit Ethereum there and you will earn the APY immediately, as long as you hold Ethereum on the Celsius Network application. So that's really good. And to get the maximum APY, you need to have 15% of your portfolio in Celsius tokens. So that's the tokenomics there. I made a video about Celsius Network token. But yeah, they are really, really good, and they constantly up their APY. And it's been working very good for me. So buying it at this level, maybe get to the 15% level, but would I stack on this level? Maybe not, maybe wait for a pullback. But this one could easily go to $1.5 in the near future as well. So I'm still holding. I'm not going to sell it at this level. So I'm still accumulating this one as well. But now let's get to the actual meat of this video, which is the Falconswap. So Falconswap, let's get to the announcement. So they were partnered with Trustswap, and I have been looking at Falconswap earlier before already, but they didn't have anything to show themselves. And now once they had the announcement with Trustswap, that's when I was like, okay, they are actually legit. I will invest. So I did put 1.5% of my portfolio into Falconswap. So that's my skin in the game right now. So what the partnership means is that once the Falconswap launches, Swap will be one of the trading pairs on there, as well as you get to earn Falconswap tokens if you swap on the Falconswap platform. And Falconswap will use their time release payment service for releasing Falconswap. So it's a two-way partnership with Trustswap and Falconswap. And next, what they are actually doing. So Falconswap is basically doing the same thing as Uniswap. And you probably heard this a million times, but this is actually quite interesting what they're doing. So on Uniswap, if you do a trade, your trade gets executed there, and that's it. You have to pay the full gas fee. But what Falconswap is doing, they're collecting transactions on the buy order side as well as the sell order side, and they settle it on the Falconswap platform without any slippage. And the remaining orders are sent to Uniswap or Balancer or another decentralized exchange to be made in a single transaction, and then the money is just redistributed to the people who wanted to sell. So this saves a lot of gas fees, and that's basically how it works. It aggregates decentralized exchange trades. So the trading times are a little bit higher on Falconswap, but you save a lot of money in gas fees. And the cool thing here is that it's not like their own blockchain where you have to mint tokens to start using it. Once Falconswap launches, you're ready to use it on layer 1 of Ethereum network, as far as I know. So you can swap any tokens there. So it's just like a better version of Uniswap once it happens. It saves a lot in the gas fees. And they actually tried this on a test network, so they have a few test cases here. So the first test transaction that they did was using one order directly executed on the Uniswap protocol. So the total gas used was 127,000 Gwei, and the gas used per order was 127,000 Gwei, which is to be expected because only one trade was put together. But then it starts to get interesting when you put in two orders which are matched on Falconswap. So here you can see that the total gas used was 200,000, but the gas used per order was lower. And the real interesting part is that when 10 orders are matched together using Falconswap, because here you can see that the total gas used was 500,000 Gwei, but the gas used per order was 52,000 Gwei. So all in all, when the Falconswap is in full speed, you can expect to get like a 64% reduction on gas prices. It's still not great, but if you can get like half the price on gas fees on Falconswap, people will opt using Falconswap, as well as because it's aggregating the trades on Uniswap and other places. It's sort of like doing the same thing as 1inch.exchange, which finds you the best route to do your order, but instead you also can execute the order on Falconswap, not just find the best route to get your best price. They actually do it for you as well, and they also save you on gas fees. So this is how Falconswap will work, and here you can see that the more orders are being executed at the same time, the more gas fees you save. But if they just use one or two orders in one bulk, then you're not really saving on gas fees. So you always want to have multiple orders being executed at the same time. So that's how everything works with Falconswap. And the tokenomics of Falconswap, let's just take a look at that one. So I think it was this, not this post. Sorry, I need to find it somewhere here. Was it this one? I think it was this article here. Yeah, so this one. So when you hold FSW tokens and you stake it, you will earn discounts on the fees that you use, or when you spend FSW tokens on the platform. So you can save money with the discounts, as well as when you stake it, the fees collected will be distributed to FSW token staking holders, as well as some of the 10% of the fees collected will be used to burn FSW tokens from the market. So it's a deflationary supply as well as the token holders who stake FSW will earn money just by staking FSW tokens. So this is basically how everything works. And once it launches, maybe in a month or so, we don't actually have any date, as far as I know, for the release of Falconswap, but the market cap is only $10 million. So if it starts aggregating Uniswap effectively, I will expect the market cap here to go to at least 100 million. So it could be 10x if it works and if it's being used. But if it works, then it can be really good. So this is like a high risk, high reward asset right here, because we don't know if it's being adopted or not. but the downside here is probably about this level here, which is 1.5, about 50. What is it? 50% downside. That's basically the maximum downside here. But to see Trustswap partnering up with Falconswap, that gives me confidence that it's a legit project. So that's basically how Falconswap works. And if you take a look at their Twitter, was this? No, this is Orion protocol. Sorry about that. Let's actually go to Falconswap. By the way, Orion protocol, they are doing also partnership. They just partnered up with DEX, which will help people follow like social traders with a decentralized fashion, kind of like token sets, but because they're using the aggregation from Orion protocol, it will help save on gas fees. So that's another, like, Falconswap and Orion are pretty close to each other, but Falconswap, because they are releasing first, that's why I'm bullish on Falconswap. So here you can see that they have 2,600 followers here, but if you actually go to their Telegram, they had 4,000 members on the Telegram as well. So that's all pretty cool. That's just Falconswap. It's another opportunity that I think it could be a good one. But yeah, the downside is about 50%, but the upside here could be 10x. So I think it's a really solid gamble. So that's basically the basics of Falconswap. All right, that's it for this video. I hope you like it. I hope you subscribe to the channel as well. And if you want to use Celsius Network or Crypto.com, you can use my referral links. But again, I have to tell you that because the customer service has been quite bad on Swipe, I still don't have my card, so I still don't have a referral code for Swipe. So you have to use someone else's referral code for those. But yeah, that's it for this video. Thanks for watching, and I will see you on the next video.